Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class, in last video, I already explained the problems related to the exercise 3.3. Okay. So in this video, I will tell one of the important 5 marks question. Okay, 6 marks question. Okay, for main examination. So before going to do that one, see trigonometric functions of sum and difference of the two angles. Okay, so same. Cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y. Okay, tan x plus y, tan x minus y, like that. So the trigonometric functions of sum and difference of the two angles. Sum and difference means minus, sum is addition. Okay, so how to see? Before going to know that one, so we have to know some two formulas are given in the chapter. Okay, already told one formula. What is that means? Sin minus x, sin minus x is equals to what? Minus sin x, minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin ಗೆ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, sin of minus x is equals to minus sin x. So cos of minus x, cos of minus x is equals to cos x. Cos of minus x, this is very important. Sin of minus x ಬಂದು minus sin x. So cos of minus x ಬಂದು cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So this is one of the important formulas. Why? Because these are we are using in the coming problems. Okay, so sum and difference of the two angles of the trigonometric functions. Okay na? So learn these things. Minus ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ sin ಗೆ minus ಇದ್ರೆ cos minus ಇದ್ರೆ minus cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos of minus 30 plus cos 30. ಅದೇ sin of minus 30 minus sin 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So these are the two formulas. Next we'll move to the next theorem. One theorem is there. My dear students, this is one of the important question. This is the one of the important question. See, my dear students, this is one of the important question for the main examination. Okay, very important. Third one already told, sin of minus x is equals to minus sin x, cos of minus x is equals to plus cos x. Okay, so this is third one. So how they will ask main examination means prove that cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y geometrically. Okay, geometrically prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Like that we have to consider one unit circle. Okay, you have to consider the unit circle with center at origin. Okay, so let us consider this is x axis and this is y axis. Positive x axis ox. Okay, positive and negative x axis ox dash. Positive y axis oy and negative y dash. So y 0 y sorry oy dash, negative y axis. So o is the origin or center of the circle. So consider the circle, consider the unit circle. Unit circle means unit length, unit radius. So consider the unit radius, unit circle with center O, with center O. Okay na? So and so you have to take some points. You have to take some points. So x, let x be the angle between. So here the four points are there. Let us consider the 4 points. So this is called P1, point P1, and this is point P2, and this is point P3, and this is point P4. Okay. Let us consider P4O P1. So this angle. So angle is like this. So x angle x and x radius. Okay. So angle P4O P1. So therefore write down angle first. P4O P1 is equal to what? X degrees. Okay na, x degrees are x angles, x angle radius. Next so next P2 ಇದಲ್ಲ. So P2 next what is the angle? P3 first P3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so therefore what is y means first one only, first one. So this one P3. So here ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ negative by x x ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ positive direction of x axis. So therefore this one consider as minus 1. What is that will be P4O P3 P4O P3 is equals to minus 5. ಸೊ ಈ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ y ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ P1 once again see. So this angle ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ P1 ಇಂದ P2 ಇದು P2. Okay, P1 P2. So therefore angle P1 O P2 is equals to y. So ಇದು y na ಇದು x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು minus y ಉಲ್ಟಾ. So like that we have to consider the three angles x and y and minus. And I have to make the 4 points P1, P2, P3, P4 are the points on the circle. P1, P2, P3, P4 are the points on the circle. Circle ಮೇಲೆ points ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ P4O P2 P4O P2 P4O P2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus y plus ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇರುವಾಗ x. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ y. ಸೊ x plus y ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ನಾವು we will define the points. Points ಆದರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ P1. ಸೊ P1 make the point P1 on the circle, okay, makes the angle x. So therefore P1 point as cos x sin x, cos x comma sin x. So therefore P1 point as cos x comma sin x. Why? Because angle is x. So therefore this point is cos x comma sin x. Next. So here P2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ P2 already ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ angle ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು x plus y angle. So therefore P2 angle is what? Cos x plus y sin x plus y. So based on the angle I have to write like this. First cos ತಗೋಬೇಕು, next sin ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ. ಓಕೆನಾ. So adjacent side this side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ opposite side, that like that. That's why. Okay. So cos x plus y sin x plus y. Understood? So therefore x plus y is the angle from x axis, positive direction of x axis. Next P3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು x ಇಂದಾನೆ ತಾನೆ, ಈ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ therefore P3 is what? Cos minus y sin minus. Easy na. So write down this one. P2 first. P2 cos x plus y, okay, comma sin x plus y. Next P3 is what? Cos of minus y, comma sin of minus y. Over. This one last point. Even. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ 1,0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. cos 0 comma sin 0. cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So that's why 1,0 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, I had to learn. So with the technique. So cos 0 sin 0. 0 ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x axis ಇನ್ನು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ. So that angle is 0. No, that's why cos 0 sin 0. Cos 0 equals to 1, sin 0 equals to 0. 1 comma 0. Okay. So this is the answer. So P4, I write here. P4 1 comma 0. So first we have to define. First we have to explain what are these things P1, P2, P3, P4 and angles. All these things over. Okay. And then you will get 2 to 3 marks. Next we will move to the how to prove the this theorem. See how to prove this formula. Cos x plus y equals to cos x plus y minus sin x sin x. See my dear students. Next angles over points over. Next we will move to the diagram. So if you observe, join P1 P3. Okay. See. So join P1 P3. Okay. And P2 P4. Join ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the two triangles. Triangles O P1 O P3 P1 O P3 ಬಂತಾ P1 O P3 one triangle. So triangle P1 O P3. Next P2 O P4 ನೋಡ್ರಾ another triangle. So two triangles are there. Let us consider P1 O P3 triangle P2 O P4 are congruent triangles. These are the congruent triangles. Congruent triangles ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು. Okay. Why? Because so in 8th class or 9th class already told when the two triangles are congruent means so many postulates are there. Side SSS postulate, AS postulate, so many. So according to anyone that theorem or postulate, it is congruent. Okay. So my dear students, why? Because here these are the same, no radius, no same unit 1. So any postulate will exist. That's right. Okay. So consider these two are congruent triangles. If congruent triangles means P1 P3 is equals to P2 P4. P1 P3. So therefore P1 P3 is equals to P2 P4. Iveru equal agutte. So side side ಈ side ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore P1 P3 is equals to P2 P4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore squaring at both sides P1 P3 whole square is equals to P2 P4 whole square. Okay, idhar square. Okay na? So this is the basic idea. P2 P4 whole square. Okay na? Now calculate what is the P1 P3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the distance between point P1 to P3 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Distance between P1 P3 means distance between root of distance between 2 points. How to calculate means root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So like that we have to calculate. Formula already told, very easy formula. You have already learned in your 10th class. Okay. Next. So I will calculate P1 P3 calculate whole square. Whole square ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ square root ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಲ್ವಾ. So P1 P3 here P1 is there, see. Otherwise P1 is ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. P1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ cos x sin x. Okay na? P1 P3 is here, see. Minus cos y sin y is there. So consider this is P1, this is P3 means cos of minus y minus. So cos x P1 ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ first cos x minus cos of minus. Cos x minus cos of minus whole square. Okay, whole square plus next sin x minus sin of minus. Sin x so otherwise you simplify it. Cos of minus y will become what? Plus cos y ಆಗುತ್ತಾ cos y sin of minus y minus sin y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Simplified answer first time. Okay na? So cos of minus y cos y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Don't write minus y ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Okay. sin y minus of minus and plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus sin y. Why? Because sin y ಇದೆ sin x minus sin y. So another minus is there now. Minus into minus plus sin y. Okay, whole square. So this is the answer. Okay. Now simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ okay ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ simplify. So simplify it. Tell me what is the simplification? A minus b whole square formula. Cos square x. Okay. Cos square x plus b square cos square y minus 2ab 2 cos x cos y. First one over now. Next second one. See this one. Sin x plus sin y. So sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x cos x. These are so next answer cos square x plus sin square x ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 sin square y plus cos square y again it is 1 minus. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು -2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಎರಡು So minus 2 common there. First this one cos x cos y minus minus sin x sin y. Sin x sin. Okay na? Is it visible? I think. Okay. Sin x sin y. So very easy. First one is over. Okay na? So ಮತ್ತೆ explain ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So I will rub these things. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. So P1 P3 ಆಗೋಗೆ P2 P4 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. See another time I will tell. See another time I will tell. Very important, easy also. See, let us consider the unit circle with center of P1 P2 P3 P4 are the points on the circle. Okay. So these are the angles, x angle, x, y, this is minus y. Okay. And join P1 P3 P2 P4 like that, angles are like this. P4O P1 is equals to x degrees, P4O P3 is equals to minus y, P1O P2 is equals to y. Okay. So these are the points, angle x plus y. So these are the points already written in the diagram. Okay. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ P2 P4 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. P2 P4 P4 is already there. P4 1, 0. I will write here. P4 is there. Another one is P2. P2 is what? P2 is C. Cos x plus y is there. Cos x plus y, sin x plus y. Put it today. I will do. Okay. See my dear students, see here P4 P2 here explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 plus 1 will becomes what? 1 plus 1 will becomes 2 minus 2 into cos x cos y minus 2 into cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Already explained now. So this one see. So 1 plus 1 will becomes 2 this one. Minus 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. So that is P1 P3 whole square. P1 P3 whole square. But here in the case, P2 is given like this. P2 is cos x plus y sin x plus y. P4 is 1, 0. And calculate P2 P4. P2 P4 whole square is square root barala. So 1 minus cos x plus y whole square. 0 minus sin x plus y whole square. Okay, simplify it. 1 square 1, a minus b whole square formula. 1 square plus cos square x plus y minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into cos x plus y. 2 into cos x plus y. Sin square minus square plus sine. So plus sin square. Okay, cos square x plus y, sin square x plus y. It becomes what? 1. So this is 1 already there, another 1. So minus 2 cos x plus y. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So minus 2 cos x plus y. Okay. From 1, ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. P1 P3 whole square is equal to P2 P4 whole square. P1 P3 already calculated. P2 P4 are calculated now. Okay. Equal these two things. Equal ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ first write down this one. 2 minus 2 cos x plus y is equals to 2 minus 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. So here cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 cancel, minus 2 cancel. So cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay na? So like that you have to simplify. So this is one of the important question for the main examination. So cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, my dear students, how to do this one? First draw the diagram and explain the points and angles. Okay, P1, P2, P3, P4 and angles. Okay, x degrees minus y ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Okay, unit circle with center O. Okay, and two triangles. We can two triangles are there. P1, P3, P1O, P3, P2O, P4 are congruent triangles. So by using any one postulate, P1, P3 is equals to P2, P4 whole square ಮಾಡಿ. So P1, P3 already calculated whole square. So P1, P3 whole square already calculated. P2, P4 already calculated. Whole square already calculated. Both are equal means you can simplify. You will get the formula. So this is one of the important formula as well as important question for the main examination. So cos x plus y is equals to what is the formula? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay na? So my dear students, please learn this question and write a test in your home and upload. Okay. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means you can ask. Thank you.